guide you to fix Instagram notes not showing. So let's see that. Go to your Instagram, tap on the message here. You can see your note and all of your notes that you have shared with the followers or the following that you done. And if you can't find your notes, so let's see. If it is your personal account, make sure you have switched it to it professional account. If it's your professional account, for some professional accounts that might not work. So tap on the top three lines. Here, if you scroll down, you can find creator tools and controls. If you scroll, you can find switch account type. Tap on that and you can switch to personal account now. By tapping on personal account, you can get your notes that's not showing. Okay, I have switched to my professional account to personal. So if you switched it to professional to personal, then you can find the notes. Or otherwise, if it's your personal account, make sure you switch it to professional account. Like this, you can fix your Instagram notes not showing. Thank you.